In a world of neurosurgery and cardiology, speed and precision aren't just luxuries. There's a difference between life and death.
In the year 2022, I had an accident, a very fatal accident, bike accident, in which the driver died, and I had a very, very severe bleeding in the brain and in the skull. Same with skull damages and the rest. So my family and some other people were looking for hospitals where I could go, get a very, very perfect surgery for myself on the brain and on the skull. And I was recommended to Memfys Hospital.
This is more than imaging. It's precision at speed, capturing the brain, the heart, and vital systems in seconds, with clarity that transforms decision-making.
Hi. With this technology, we detect conditions earlier and we treat them faster. That changes the outcome. Thank you.
We don't just stop at imaging. Our newly expanded neurophysiology unit is a hub of specialized neurodiagnostic power. We measure how the brain and muscles communicate. This helps us to diagnose conditions that are not visible on scans.
Did you know that the heart starts to beat at 3 weeks of life and continues to beat till the very day that you die? The heart beats over 100,000 times a day. And if you are to take all the blood vessels in the heart and stretch it, it will go around the earth, round and around the earth. So the heart is very important. Here at Memfys, we have the tools and the skill to look at the details of the heart and the blood vessels. We are able to do different types of diagnosis and imaging and scanning. And we welcome you to come to Memfys to do a thorough check on your heart.
Every test result supports a decision. Accuracy here directly impacts treatment success.
Treatment doesn't end with diagnosis. We, the pharmacists, ensure patients receive the right medication safely and promptly.
The General Medical Unit of Memfys Hospital is expanded to institute a comprehensive overview of the health of every patient that comes into this hospital. Memfys Hospital is usually viewed as a specialized hospital where surgery concerning the brain and spinal cord is done. Yes, that could be right. But health generally is a state of physical, mental, and social well-being, and gives a dynamic process where every individual is able to cope with his environment and live comfortably facing challenges. So our role here is to ensure that every patient comes in with probably spinal problem or any other problem which we call comorbidities that we will assess and analyze and handle comprehensively, involving the dynamic process of healthcare, and refer appropriately and follow up to ensure that that person maintains health in the way it is defined.
From the point of emergency to arrival, care has already begun.
Physiotherapy is a part of the healthcare profession where we help patients to recover from physical injury, restore, maintain, maximize function, mobility, educate patients on how to manage their conditions.
For critical patients, every second is monitored and every response is immediate.
The first time I came to the hospital, I never believed what I saw. The atmosphere, the aesthetics, everything, the environment, the serenity, the neatness, it was 100%. I was told it was the best hospital in Nigeria, and truly it is the best hospital in Nigeria. It is the best. They have the best staffs, the best office settings, the best environment for an hospital. When you go there, you see it for yourself. And surgery is not something that is easily done. It's something that is achieved by experts. And for them to have successfully done a surgery on my brain and skull, and I'm still here today with you guys, speaking very well and healthy, that is a testament that they are worthy of who they are and what the hospital represents in Nigeria. So you don't need to travel abroad to do anything. You just need to fly to Enugu and go to Memfys Hospital. Everything is there for you.
At Memfys Hospital, we combine advanced technology with experienced specialists to provide the care you can trust.
From diagnosis to recovery, from emergency to rehabilitation, we are here.
Memfys Hospital, leading the way in specialized care.
For more inquiry, call the number on the screen or follow our social media for more info.